Meeting 29. Name 1. Anissa Septiani. 2. Wita Pamelia. Nursing Study Program Mubuk Linggo. Helping patient with diabetes management, blood sugar test. Label the picture 1 and 5 below using the word in the box and in the TV. Which piece of equipment is not used in blood sugar test? 1. Urinalysis stick. 2. Glucometer. 3. Blood testing strip. 4. Lancet. 5. Cotton swab. Match the types of diabetes 1, 3 to the definition 1, 3. 1. Type 1. Diabetes controlled by insulin. 2. Type 2. Diabetes during pregnancy. 3. Gestational diabetes usually controlled by medication, diet, and exercise. Discuss the following question in part 1. What do you know about the types of diabetes and about exercise? 2. What are some of the treatments for diabetes? Pay attention the sentences below. I need to check your blood glucose level before you see the doctor. Is that okay? I will just put a test strip in the glucometer. Can you hold out your finger, please? I am going to prick the sheet of your finger with this lancet. I will put a drop of blood on the test strip. You insert the cotton swab on your finger now. We'll have to wait for the result to flash on the screen. I will record it on your card now. Pay attention to the picture and complete the sentence using the words in the previous slide. An example has been done for you. 1. I need to check your blood glucose level before you see the doctor. Is that okay? 2. I will just put a test strip in the glucometer. 3. Can you hold out your finger, please? 4. I am going to prick the side of your finger with this lancet. 5. I will put a drop of blood on the test strip. 6. You unfold the cotton swab on your finger now. 7. We'll have to wait for the result to flash on the screen. 8. I will record it on your card now. Blood glucose level 1. Less than. 2. More than. 3. Blood glucose level. 4. Cholesterol. Amount of glucose sugar which stick to the bowl. 5. Glycated hemoglobin. Amount of fat in the blood. 6. Hyperglycemia. High blood sugar. 7. Hypoglycemia. Low blood sugar. 8. Liter. 9. Million. Referensi. Thank you.
Next meeting 30. Name Anissa Septiani and Wita Pamelia, kelas tingkat 2B. Asking a patient for consent. Question from explain diabetes charts. Nurse must always ask patients for their consent of permission before a procedure. For example, procedure, for instance, testing a blood glucose level. It is a no to ask is that okay? Or do you mean if I take your blood glucose level for a more serious procedure like an operation? The consent must be in writing. Intinya, perawat harus meminta izin ke pasien sebelum melakukan tindakan apapun. Make a short text about taking a blood glucose by using the following form to help you. Check or blood or glucose or doctor. I need to check your blood glucose level before you see the doctor. Is that okay? Drop blood or test strip. I will put a drop of blood on the test strip or glucometer. I will just put a test strip in the glucometer. Cotton swab atau finger. You and put the cotton swab on your finger now. Hold out our finger. Can you hold out your finger, please? Wait or result or screen. We will have to wait for the result to flash on the screen. Prick or side of finger or left. I am going to prick the side of your finger with this lens. Record or chair. I will record on your chair now. Complete short conversation between nurse and patient by using the word in the box. Can, it is okay if, do you mean if, is that alright, it's alright if, is that okay. 1. Do you mean if can, I take your blood pressure. 2. Is that alright, I do your dressing now. Is it okay if I check your blood glucose level? I need to see your identification. Is that okay? Can I give you this injection? 6. I need to put up a new IV bag. Is that alright? Open slide 6, then answer the question. 1. Which of the sentences are good example of asking for consent? Good morning, Mrs. Hilda. I do like to ask you some question about your lifestyle. Is that okay? C. Mrs. Hilda, the doctor will explain your operation to you before you sign the consent form. Is that alright? 2. How can you inform that bad example? D. I am going to give you shower. Take your pajamas off, please, and come to the bathroom. Pay attention the personal diabetes care plan. Answer this question based on the slide 9. 1. Is Mr. Basker taking insulin? Yes, Mrs. Basker takes insulin. 2. How often does Mr. Basker test her on our blood glucose level? Mr. Basker tests her blood glucose level before breakfast and in the evening. 3. How often does Mr. Basker visit the diabetes clinic? Mr. Basker visits the clinic every 3 months.